I started off by falling out of bed before Christmas. I went into Eve Hospital, A&E. Before I left the Eve, I contacted, it was a bite.
Oh, bite.
And it bit into your skin.
Right.
And I had to be isolated. When I was taking tablets for it, I have to have the bed changed every day.
I see.
New sheets.
Lots of care, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have any worries about coming to a care home?
Yes. But I wasn't sure what worries I was worrying about. It's frightening, but you can they get you to relax.
Yeah.
But in your mind, you can't. You want to be home.
Yes.
He was a bit nervous at the start, wasn't he? Because he went from his own house setting to a nursing home. He was just a bit overwhelmed, I think.
Yeah, and he needed a lot of reassurance.
Reassurance, yeah. So one day, he withdrew himself a bit, I think. He just stayed in his room and we were talking. And I don't know, we just bonded over things. And I mentioned that I was married to a man because I wanted to build a bond with him, basically. We talked about past lives, like you were saying, the gay man in the army. Yeah, I mean, we just bonded then. Then he slowly came out of his room and started going to communal areas.
Yeah, and he's very confident now.
Yeah.
His partner visits regularly and is part of the home.
Yeah.
Did you have any kind of worries about you being a gay person coming into a care home?
No.
None at all, no. That's good.
Just tell them straight away.
Yeah.
Put them in a picture.
Yeah.
There's no deceiving each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the staff know.
Yeah.
Years ago, you wouldn't have many gay men, lesbian women, ladies, transgender, things like that. And they was coming more around, isn't there?
Yeah, I think people are moving with the times.
Yeah, the times are moving, yeah.
I suppose every care home's different, but here everybody is accepting and, you know, welcomes everyone with open arms, really.
Is there anything you particularly like about the care home?
Yes, it's in the bay, and you got my scooter.
Oh wow, yeah, I didn't notice that.
And I can go with a carer.
Yeah.
And go around the bay.
Amazing.
Go to Wetherspoons for a meal.
Yeah.
He likes it. I think the curry's on a Tuesday, and he likes it.
He's invited to everything.
He's in town now, isn't he, with the activity?
He likes to go out. He loves to go over the bay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if he was in the bacon yesterday.
He loves watching telly as well in his room, so it's a bit of both.
And there's certain concerts, if he, you know.
Yeah, he can choose what he wants to be involved in.
Yeah.
What would you say to a person, particularly a gay person, I suppose, who had worries about entering a care home? What would you say?
Be yourself, and don't be afraid. Go in and show respect, and you expect respect back.